guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because I'm doing a full face of first impressions. I know I look a little bit crazy because I have brows on, I've got lid primer on, and then I've got nothing else on my skin and my hair's kind of scraped back. Today I am actually partnering up with Beauty Bay, who you guys know I've had a long-term love affair with. Absolutely love Beauty Bay. It's where I go for all of my makeup, skincare, hair care, tan, like they stock everything. I went to an event with them the other day, which is where they gave me this bag of goodies, and they actually told me that they add a new brand onto their website every single week, which blew my mind. They are always on the pulse with new in trends and innovative brands, products, etc. So that's definitely why I think they are such an amazing website, because they're on it, they're snappy. I am going to be trying some of their products that they've kindly gifted to me today and just doing like a little haul and first impression on my face. And yeah, the reason why I'm looking a bit like smoky and stuff is because I just filmed a video before this, because as you know I am pre-filming like a maniac. I'm gonna start with my eyes and I am so excited. I'm gonna be playing with the Saharan by Juvia's palette. I've kind of dug my fingers into a few of these shades just to get a feel of the palette, and obviously I'm really drawn to these bright orange shades. I'm gonna take a Zoeva 221 and I'm gonna take Katsina, which is the transition shade, and I'm just gonna buff this through the crease. Oh, these colours are so stunning. That is buttery and rich. Oh my gosh. I already did my brows because I didn't get a new brow product. As you can see, I'm breaking out really badly at the moment, so just ignore that. I feel like I want to do something summery. I'm gonna take Jamila, which is this orange. There's not a lot of fallout with these either. And I'm just gonna start buffing this into my crease. I think I might do a halo eye. Ooh, this is a really pretty bright orange. And bringing that in the inner as well. This colour is so beautiful. It's like it's been snowing and stuff this week, so I feel like doing something summery, bright. I am a summer, like a sun worshipper, and this snow sucks. Okay, I'm gonna take the colour Sokoto on a slightly smaller little brush, and this is the colour I've been excited to play with. Oh, that's beautiful. This is like a pinky red coral. Like if you thought that orange was bright, this is trumping it a little bit. That's so blendable and pigmented. Wow. And that's going in the inner here, and just lightly pulling that onto the lid. I am blown away. I'm just pulling this out as well. Gorgeous. Okay, I'm now just gonna mix those two colours together and pop them on the inner lid. Amazing, 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 amazing. Look at these three metallics. They're nice. Taking a flat brush, I'm gonna take the colour Senegal. Wow, that's incredible. That is absolutely stunning. Woo! I'm now going in with Wadabi, literally like a dot in the middle. Alright, I am now gonna go in with the black, and I am pushing this in the lashes. That's a really nice black. I'm going for a kind of inside outside look, so I'm not putting the black along the lash line where the gold is. Okay, I have got an Ico I Do liquid liner here. Ah, the felt tip. Okay, we'll try it. I'm just running this right along the lash line. I do find these quite difficult to work with because they are so firm, but that got the job done. There's a tiny bit of fallout, so I'm just cleaning that up. I thought I'd go for something really simple on the eyes today. I'm so impressed with those eyeshadows. I haven't finished yet, but I'm gonna move on to my face. Just had to go get myself a cup of tea. Had to make a little bit of a tea break. Onto the base, which I'm really excited about. So my skin is really not liking me at the moment. It is breaking out really badly, and it's very dry. So I'm gonna use this Jouer Anti-Aging Moisture Primer. I've never tried this before, but obviously I don't need anti-aging, I'm 21. But it's better to prevent than to cure, and I'm doing this for the moisture benefits more than the anti-aging. That is so cooling. Wow. Guys, that feels amazing. It feels just like a moisturiser. Literally just feels like a moisturiser. You know when you can feel, if you have dry skin, you know what I mean? You know when you can feel a product just sit, like your skin drinking it up? That's what that feels like. For foundation, I'm gonna try a foundation that I've been wanting to try for so long. This is the Ordinary Full Coverage Foundation. I got the shade 1.2Y, light with yellow undertones. I've got a little bit of fake tan on, so it might be a bit pale for me at the moment, but we'll see. So here's the packaging. Shake well before use. Dispense a small amount into the palm or the back of your hand. Smooth and blend throughout the face. So I'm gonna shake it. So this claims to have high coverage, and I've heard amazing things about this. That will be a bit light for me, but we'll make it work. I'll start with the side with the blemishes. Taking a sponge. Doesn't really smell of anything. I'd say that's a medium buildable coverage, so I'm gonna do a second coat. The shade is a little bit light, but I can make it work. The finish is very, very up my street. It's got a good amount of glow to it, which is important to me, especially when my skin is acting out like this. And this is only, what, like £6? That's sitting beautifully. Really lightweight, but as you can see, this beast is breaking through, and my scarring is still showing as well. Definitely will be needing a bit of concealer for that. That's one side of my face, and that was a pump, so I'll do the same on the other side. I do like this colour though. It's a good shade if I'm a bit paler. It's a nice yellow undertone. I just love the finish. They also gave me the Jouer Full Coverage Foundation, but to be honest, I don't think my skin could hack it right now because it's dry as hell and that's matte. My skin just would not like that at the moment. Okay, for my concealer, I've got this Kevyn Aucoin, the Etherealist Supernatural Concealer. I love Kevyn Aucoin's packaging. So chic. I got the shade Light. This might be a bit too light because it's very pale, and also the fact that it's supernatural is concerning me slightly because obviously I've got quite a bit of covering I need to do today. It's very light, but it feels moisturising, very thin and very smooth. Not a bad thing at all. Let's see how it covers. That has covered more than I was expecting. It has brightened up underneath my eye. It's lightweight, it's thin, it's creamy, it's blending really nicely into the foundation, so that's lots of good points. I feel that this is gonna crease quite badly though, but my skin does look nice. It looks pretty radiant. I'm gonna go in with a different Kevyn Aucoin concealer. This is the Sensual Skin Enhancer in SX07. It's so good. Just pop that anywhere where you've got a blemish. You barely need any product, and it's just got such good coverage. So I'm also going to put a tiny bit right under my eye. The blemishes are about as gone as they'll be. They're as gone as they'll go. I feel like under my eyes is gonna crease, so I'm gonna go in with this. This is the Lunatic Cosmetic Labs Mystifying Mattifying High Definition Micro Finish Press Powder. And it's a giant guitar pick. And then you open it up and there's the powder. Not very travel friendly, but very, very cool packaging, like cool concept. It's quite a big compact for your handbag. And I'm just gonna swirl into the powder and just apply this. I'm also going to take this between my brows. Right, time to finish under the eyes, I think, because I'm looking a little bit crazy right now. So, oh, I forgot about my tea. I'm going to take the Katsina colour and I'm just softly taking that under my eye. I'm just taking the shade Jamila, and I'm applying this to the outer third of the lower lash line. And then I'm taking Senegal and Wadabi. I'm just going to pop that in the lower. And then Jamila again. Now I'm going to go in with the colour Iman, which is the white. And it's quite like a cool toned, like an icy white. And I'm just popping that right under the brow. Such a contrast because it's such a cool toned white. It just really stands out. I think it looks really cool. I'm gonna wet my brush, take that same white colour. I'm actually gonna pop that on the inner corner. I think it looks so cool when the highlights are like different undertones. So we've got a really warm tone highlight on the lid, and then on the brow bone in the inner corner you've got a really cool tone colour. I just think that looks cool. I'm gonna quickly pop on some brow gel because I like to do that after I've done all my powders. This one is from Ico, which is available on Beauty Bay. I filmed a look with loads of glitter yesterday and I've got so much glitter in my eyebrows still. My dad's girlfriend was like, "You are really glittery this morning." I was like, yes, I am. I'm going to try out a new mascara. This is the Pure Cosmetics Fully Charged Mascara. Mascara powered by magnetic technology, which sounds interesting. So it's this kind of NARSy packaging, like, you know what I mean, like almost the rubbery. And here is the brush, so let's try it. Okay, it's not as dramatic as I was expecting. It's meant to strengthen, thicken, lengthen and separate for unparalleled performance. There's one coat. Weirdly enough, I actually prefer it on my bottom lashes. That looks nice on my bottom lashes. I'm gonna do the other eye and then I'm gonna apply some Violet Voss lashes. These are the Violet Voss Fluff It Like It's Hot Foam Ink lashes. I'm gonna put these on and then I'll be right back. Okay, hey, change of plans. So I decided that I needed a bit of a liner, so one of the things they gave me is Jeffree Star Anna Nicole, and these are eye safe, so I thought I would use it as a liner. So I've done a bit of a red wing liner, so I'm just going to pop it on the other eye. All I'm doing is taking a little bit on the back of my hand. I'm just doing quite a thick line and quite a long wing. Okay, here are the eyes. I think they turned out pretty cool. These eyeshadows are amazing. By far my favourite thing in this haul slash first impression. The quality of these are amazing and I'm definitely gonna get myself all of them. I don't know. I don't actually have a bronzer in my bag of goodies, so I'm gonna quickly go and contour my nose, contour my cheekbones, do a bit of bronzing, and then I'll come back. I'm gonna try Ofra's Glow Goals. Actually no, I've tried this one. Because I've got the Everglow, which is the Nikki Tutorials collaboration with Ofra, which is like the 3 different highlights in one. This is just the medium one in its whole own container. But I'll use this. I love Ofra highlights. They are so intense. And this one is no different. And bring it up. I'm gonna spritz my face. This is Skindinavia, which you can get on Beauty Bay. Okay, we're on the final step. I've had technical difficulties all day. This video has taken me like all day to film. I'm gonna do a matching red to the liner because why not? I'm gonna line my lips. You guys know I love the Morphe lip pencils. I've got like 5 of them now. This one is in High Maintenance. They're just really affordable, good lip liners. They just work. And this is a nice kind of orangey red. Oh, it's the perfect colour. Yes. It's cool, but I feel like it's kind of taking away from the eyes. I'll give you a couple of options. So, this is option number 1. Did I tell you what this was? This is Anna Nicole from Jeffree Star. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with a different Morphe lip pencil. This is in the shade Foolish. I really love Morphe's lip pencils. I got one of these Jouer Longwear lip toppers in the shade Rose Gold. Should I go lip my line? Lip my line? I'm gonna line my lips. Lip my line. These are so creamy and just, oh, I love them. And they have such a good shade range. So I've got two other lipsticks here. I've got Dose of Colours Cork, which would probably go better. I never wear gloss, so this is the Jouer lip topper in Rose Gold. Can you see that? This smells incredible. I've just popped that in the centre. That's very different for me. That's very different. It might be a bit too much shimmer, but I gave you a matte option as well. Hey guys, sorry for the abrupt end of video. I'm just editing the video you just watched and the final clip got corrupted, unfortunately, so I thought I would hop on here and end the video nicely. Luckily you got to see the finished makeup. I love how it looks. I think it's a really cool look. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to Beauty Bay for working with me. I have linked all of the products that I used in this video down below so that you can go and check them out on Beauty Bay if you are interested in any of them. Let me know what you think down below in a comment. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you haven't yet, please be sure to subscribe. I would love it if you would join my little fam. That would be amazing. And thank you in advance. Thank you guys again for watching. I hope you have the best day and I'll see you in my next video.